Everyone, I'm going to show you the fastest and simplest way to calculate age in Excel, from a birth date to an examination date. This is super useful for data analysis, medical records, and more. So stick around because you don't want to miss this. Let's dive right in. Here's what your dataset should look like. Column A is for number ID, column B is for examination date, column C is for birth date, and column D is for age. Now, let's get to the fun part, calculating the age. Using data formula to calculate age, Excel makes this incredibly easy. Just type this formula into cell D2, equal data open parenthesis, cell that show birth date, semicolon, cell that show examination date, semicolon, double quotes, Y double quotes, and close parenthesis, and then we push enter. How it works? This formula calculates the differences between date of birth and examination date in years. Hit enter and drag it down, and boom, you've got the exact age in a second. What's next? Want to learn how? Drop a comment below and I'll make a follow-up videos. Thank you.
Subscribe now. Subscribe now.